Good morning, everybody. As we look across the nation in the lower 48 states, warmest temperature, no surprise, down there in Miami at 77 degrees. Boy, wouldn't that feel good right now. Across a lot of the west, the northern plains, the Midwest, and the Great Lakes, we're only in the 30s out there, basically. We've got this little clipper system that's going to come in here and is moving through the area. That might give us some light rain or snow showers, but it's really small stuff here. It's this bigger system that is getting its organizational act together that's currently plowing into the Pacific Northwest. That's going to move across the northern United States. It's going to really strengthen or ramp up its winds by the time it gets here on Wednesday. It's going to bring us a surge of some warm air for one day, and then it's going to pull down Arctic air just in time for Christmas, which is likely going to start the lake effect snowmaking machine by that time. Live Doppler radar. This looks a lot worse on radar than it really is. There may be some light snow showers, flakes, and flurries flying out there in blue. There's some green in there as well. So we'll have the chance of some light snow showers or some rain showers mixing in here and there. Any snow we see is going to mainly be confined to grassy areas, so there may be enough to wet the pavement down in the snow. You might see it turn the grassy areas and the vegetation white, but we're not looking for a whole lot. It's this little clipper system that's moving on through, and behind it, there's a little bit of precipitation. There could be some light lake effect snow showers through the overnight hours and maybe some patchy freezing drizzle. It'll really be light stuff. But as you folks know, if we see any freezing drizzle, as light as it may be, it doesn't take much to grease up the roadways. Our current temperatures, 33 in Big Rapids, 35 in White Cloud. Grand Rapids is reporting in with 36 degrees, much the same in Granville. I don't expect these numbers to move very much at all. We're 35 right now in Battle Creek, also on the south side of Kalamazoo, and we're in the low to mid, even upper 30s there along and south of the I-94 corridor. So maybe another degree or two out of it today, and that's about as good as it gets. We're talking cloudy skies, chance of some light rain and snow showers out there, certainly less than an inch of accumulation, maybe on grassy areas, but that would be about it, and not everybody will even see that. We'll have high temperatures today in the mid-30s with the wind turning from the south to the southwest at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like on Future Track at noon here, and you can see this is almost echoing or mirroring of the current image of radar. But again, some light snow showers, flakes or flurries, maybe some rain showers mixing in there. I think that continues as we go through the evening and overnight hours, and maybe some patchy drizzle or freezing drizzle out there as well. Tomorrow we start mainly cloudy, but with high pressure building in, we should see a little bit of sunshine. But already our next weather system is going to be moving in. Warm front lifts on through the area. This is by Wednesday morning. The winds are going to start to ramp up. Our temperatures will surge into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees on Wednesday. That'll come with some of the development of rain as we go into the afternoon hours. And as the cold front goes through around the dinner hour, we may start to see that change over to some snow showers. But it's the second cold front. That's the Arctic front that's going to blast in here Wednesday night. Temperatures are going to tank, and we'll see probably the lake effect snowmaking machine start to crank up, and there could be some heavy accumulations. There's been talk about maybe a flash freeze with anything on the roadways freezing within just a couple of hours. The good news is I don't think we're going to see that much rain. Models are only outputting maybe about a quarter to a half an inch of rain, and with the wind field, we may help to dry some of the pavement out. So things that do freeze would be puddles out there, but on the pavement, we hope to maybe dry things up with that wind that we're going to have. How much snow are we talking about? Well, from the little clipper system, not much. Only a few tenths of an inch, maybe a half an inch out there on grassy areas. It's the snow that comes in from lake effect and the Arctic air on Christmas Eve night, and also Christmas Day. Here's just a flavor for you on one of the forecast models here. And I think with the west-northwest wind here, it's places like southwestern Kent County into Allegan County, maybe western Barry County, western Kalamazoo County, and also Van Buren County that may see the heaviest snow out there. If you're further to the north and east of Grand Rapids, there's probably not going to be a lot of snow. So there is the possibility, and a very good possibility, if you're along and west of US 131 for a white Christmas. But further to the east, it's not going to be much at all. Here's what wind chill factors look like as we jump all the way ahead to Thursday. They're going to be in the 20s Thursday morning. That's not a big deal. That's tolerable. But as we go through the day and that Arctic air seeps in and that heavy snow comes down, it's going to drive our feels like temperatures or those wind chills right into the single digits for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. So again, if you're going out to some services there for Christmas, you're going to want to bundle up. Get the full winter apparel ready. And if you live along and west of US 131, you're probably going to be shoveling some snow. So you might want to fire up the snowblower right now and mix up the gas and oil. So you're ready to deal with that, especially in those traditional snow belt locations with that west-northwest flow along and west of US 131. We're mid-30s today. Some light rain or snow showers out there. 38 tomorrow for a little bit of sunshine. 49 degrees on Wednesday. That sounds great, doesn't it? It is going to be windy. It will likely see some rain showers through the afternoon hours, but behind that front, we mix with and change over to snow showers. This 28 degrees on Thursday likely occurs around midnight because temperatures are going to fall into the teens throughout the day, and the lake effect is going to start to get going by that time. It goes right on through Thursday night into Friday, which of course is Christmas. Highs only in the low, maybe the mid-20s on Friday, and then we might break the freezing mark by the time we get into Saturday and Sunday. So I think for a lot of us, a good possibility of accumulating lake effect snow and a white Christmas. But again, if you're farther north and east of Grand Rapids, you might not see a whole lot of anything. Alyssa?